Hi, my name is Ashley Olson, and today I am going to be talking about an experiment instead of doing one. Each week we normally perform an experiment, but this week we are talking about a nuclear bomb kind of experiment that on a video we watched. So in this video, there's this guy who seems to be an engineer, and he was creating a bomb that had uranium in it. That is what it contained. And he said that the uranium, the power is like 13 kilotons of TNT or something, creating the reaction, making it a bomb. So he had this long, kind of almost rectangular thing that the bomb was made of and sitting on. And with that, they put 40% of the uranium at the tip and 60% then at the other end. And with that, there's two different types of isotopes with the uranium that were used. And with those isotopes, from my understanding, it's like a chain reaction. And what happens is, when it goes off, it separates the two isotopes of uranium, creating the bomb at once. But the thing about it is the uranium, they separate at slightly different rates or speeds, which I thought was interesting because even though they're separating at the uranium is separating, creating the bomb at different rates, it still goes off as one. From the video, I also learned that they don't tell you really everything that goes on with it, just because that could be a bomb that is still used, and they obviously don't want people doing it or even maybe knowing what's going to happen to be able to like protect themselves if they're in a war or something. But I thought this was interesting to this was a video interesting to watch because I guess I always have just thought about bombs being like there and not knowing much about them, but it's interesting to think that there's all these different types. In this case, we were talking about the uranium one. So the chain reaction is something that helps probably each of the bombs be able to go off. And so we can be protected when it comes to war and other things. So hopefully people aren't using or trying to create these on their own, even though I think it might be impossible because we are not exposed to the different pieces of equipment that we would need ourselves to make a bomb without other help. So this was, like I had said before, this was definitely something interesting to learn about, and we'll see if I come in contact with any more learning about bombs in the future.